Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will be discussing about navigating tax season, essential tips for individuals and businesses. Tax season can be a stressful time for both individuals and businesses alike. Filing your taxes accurately and on time can be overwhelming, especially if you're not familiar with the latest tax laws and regulations. Fortunately, there are many tips and strategies to help make the process go smoothly. In this video, we'll provide you with expert advice on how to master tax season. From maximizing your deductions, to staying organized and avoiding common mistakes, we'll cover everything you need to know to make the most of your tax season. Whether you're a small business owner or an individual taxpayer, read on to learn how to navigate tax season like a pro. Introduction to tax season: why it's important to be prepared. For individuals, tax season is an opportunity to assess their financial standing and fulfill their civic duty by paying taxes. It is a time to gather all relevant documents, such as W-2 forms, 1099s, and receipts, to accurately report income and claim deductions or credits. Failing to be adequately prepared can lead to missed opportunities to reduce tax liability or even penalties for noncompliance. Businesses, on the other hand, face even greater complexities during tax season. They must not only report their income and expenses but also navigate through various tax deductions, credits, and compliance requirements specific to their industry. Being prepared means keeping meticulous financial records throughout the year, understanding the tax laws applicable to their business structure, and seeking expert advice when needed. Preparation for tax season should begin well in advance. Keeping track of financial transactions, organizing receipts and invoices, and maintaining accurate records throughout the year can make the tax season less overwhelming. Additionally, staying informed about changes in tax laws, deadlines, and any new regulations can help individuals and businesses stay ahead of the game. In this video, we will delve into expert tips and strategies to help individuals and businesses master the tax season. From understanding common deductions and credits to exploring efficient ways to organize financial documents, our aim is to provide valuable insights that will make tax season a smoother and more manageable process. So, let's get started on the journey to mastering tax season. Organizing your financial documents and records. To start, gather all relevant financial documents such as income statements, expense receipts, W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other paperwork that pertains to your financial activities. Create a designated folder or filing system to keep these documents in one central location. This will not only help streamline the tax preparation process but also make it easier to find specific documents when needed. Consider using digital tools to further enhance your organization. Scanning and storing your documents electronically can save space, reduce clutter, and improve accessibility. There are numerous apps and software available that can help you digitize and categorize your financial records, making it easier to search, sort, and retrieve information as needed. Maintaining a separate bank account and credit card for business expenses, if applicable, can also simplify the organization process. This separation helps distinguish personal and business transactions, ensuring that you accurately report and track your finances. Furthermore, it's essential to keep track of important deadlines and stay updated on any tax law changes that may impact your filing requirements. Create a calendar or set reminders to ensure timely submission of tax returns, estimated tax payments, and any other required documentation. By taking the time to organize your financial documents and records, you set yourself up for a smoother tax season experience. Not only will you be better prepared to meet your tax obligations, but you may also uncover opportunities for deductions and savings that can positively impact your bottom line. Understanding key tax deadlines and important forms. For individuals, it's important to be aware of the deadline for filing your income tax return. In the United States, this deadline is typically April 15th, but it can vary depending on certain circumstances. It's important to mark this date on your calendar and start gathering all the necessary documentation well in advance. When it comes to important forms, the most common one for individuals is the Form 1040. This form is used to report your income, deductions, and credits. It's essential to understand the different sections of the form and ensure that you accurately report all the required information. For businesses, tax deadlines and forms can vary depending on the entity type and the specific tax obligations. For example, corporations may have different deadlines compared to sole proprietorships or partnerships. It's crucial to consult with a tax professional or refer to the IRS guidelines to determine the specific deadlines and forms applicable to your business. Some common forms for businesses include the Form 1120 for C corporations, Form 1065 for partnerships, and Form 1040 Schedule C for sole proprietorships. These forms require detailed information about your business income, expenses, deductions, and credits. To stay organized during tax season, it's recommended to create a checklist of all the important deadlines and forms applicable to your situation. This will help you stay on track and ensure that you meet all the necessary requirements. By understanding key tax deadlines and important forms, you can take proactive steps to prepare for tax season and minimize any potential stress or complications. Consulting with a tax professional is always a good idea to ensure that you are meeting all the necessary requirements and taking advantage of any available deductions or credits. Maximizing deductions and credits for individuals. One important step in maximizing deductions is to keep detailed records of all eligible expenses throughout the year. This includes expenses such as medical costs, charitable contributions, and business-related expenses. By carefully documenting these expenses and ensuring they meet the criteria set by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, individuals can claim them as deductions on their tax return. Another strategy for maximizing deductions is to take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts, such as health savings accounts, HSAs, or flexible spending accounts, FSAs. Contributions made to these accounts are typically tax-deductible and can be used to cover qualified medical expenses. Similarly, contributions to retirement accounts like individual retirement accounts, IRAs, or 401ks can also provide tax benefits. In addition to deductions, individuals should also explore potential tax credits that they may qualify for. Unlike deductions, which reduce taxable income, tax credits directly reduce the amount of taxes owed. Some common tax credits for individuals include the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, the Child Tax Credit, and the American Opportunity Credit for education expenses. To ensure that you are maximizing all available deductions and credits, it is recommended to consult with a tax professional or utilize tax software that can help identify potential tax-saving opportunities. These experts can guide individuals through the complex tax laws and regulations and ensure that they are taking full advantage of all eligible deductions and credits. Strategies for small business owners to minimize taxes. One effective strategy is to take advantage of all available tax deductions. Familiarize yourself with the various deductions that small business owners are eligible for, such as those related to business expenses, home office deductions, and qualified business income deductions. By carefully documenting and claiming these deductions, you can significantly reduce your taxable income. Another strategy is to consider the most advantageous tax structure for your business. Depending on your circumstances, it may be beneficial to operate as a sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. Each structure has different tax implications, so it's crucial to consult with a tax professional to determine the best option for your specific situation. Moreover, consider making retirement contributions as a small business owner. Contributions to retirement plans, such as a simplified employee pension, SEP, IRA, or a solo 401k, not only help you save for the future but also provide tax advantages. These contributions are typically tax-deductible, reducing your taxable income for the current year. By implementing these strategies and staying proactive in managing your taxes, you can minimize your tax liability and maximize your financial success as a small business owner. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a tax professional to ensure you are taking advantage of all available options and staying compliant with tax laws. Tips for avoiding common tax filing mistakes. First and foremost, it is crucial to double-check all your personal information before submitting your tax return. Simple errors like misspelled names, incorrect social security numbers, or wrong addresses can cause unnecessary delays in processing your return. Take the time to review each detail carefully to ensure accuracy. One area where many individuals and businesses stumble is in properly categorizing deductions and credits. It is essential to understand the eligibility requirements for each deduction and credit you plan to claim. Take the time to research and consult with a tax professional if you are unsure about any specific deductions or credits to ensure you are maximizing your tax savings while staying within the legal boundaries. We hope you found our expert tips for individuals and businesses helpful as you navigate through tax season. Whether you're an individual filing your personal taxes or a business owner managing your company's tax obligations, understanding the ins and outs of the process is crucial. By following the advice and strategies outlined in our video, you'll be well on your way to mastering tax season and ensuring compliance while maximizing your savings. Remember, proper tax planning and organization are key to a successful and stress-free tax season. Best of luck, and may your tax returns be smooth sailing. Don't forget to like my video, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos.